It's not gonna bite. Are we safe? Are we safe? Are we safe? No ways. We are so lucky to find the dolphins.
Yeah.
What? Huh?
From there up to about 100 meters that side.
My word. Oh, that's why in my car, hey, I was actually on there. He wink, dolphins.
I haven't seen whales yet, yeah. Don't know why.
For how long have you been around?
Well, I've been here for about what, five months already. When we play West Bank Golf Club,
Oh.
I often saw them. But this year they're not so active. Maybe they passed already, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Because I need to go to Hermanus by October.
Jeez, there's so many of them. There's so many.
I was in Plet about 6 months ago.
Okay.
Went on a boat cruise on the sea.
Uh-huh.
They were next to the boat, about 100 of them.
What? The whales?
Yeah, no.
Oh, the dolphins. Oh, okay.
There were many.
You should be having a lovely picture of that, my man. I'm sure you've got a
Yo.
beautiful video.
Yeah, I've got a video of it, yeah, somewhere on my phone.
I was also so fortunate. We went for a boat cruise in PE. My man, the whale just jumped out of nowhere. We ended up staying longer because it was not the only one. We saw the other one there. We said, yay, we are so fortunate. And that guy was taking videos and I was not even ready for the pictures at that time. Yes.
I had a friend here in East London. He was my neighbor. And him and his friend went rowing into the sea. And then suddenly, about 50 meters of them, a whale came out. As he hit back, his fins hit the water. He said it sounds like a gunshot. He said he was so scared.
Who?
Then he really felt small in life, you know.
Who? But the whales, they don't eat people, ne?
No. They're not aggressive.
You are just a
mistaken identity, perhaps. It's like a shark also. It's just like a mistaken identity when they attack a surfer. Because
but I've never seen the dolphins so plenty.
Yeah, no. I must say this is the first time I also saw them in a long time now.
Yo, there's so many, my man. So many.
Yeah, they're lovely. Oh.
We were at the Compo Rock with this one. He says he saw them. Now it did not explain because I was busy recording.
Yeah.
Now if I could not see these dolphins, I wouldn't have known.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it did not even take the video to them. Oh. Here, these ones are plenty. Look, there's others one out there. They're still there. What do you call the team of them? I think there's a word for them.
Oh, no.
It's a club. What do you call them?
No, I don't know. What do you call them?
I think there's a word for them.
In front there?
Yes.
There's something right at the back also. It's gone now. Yeah, the whales are not active.
The other ones are even coming this way, Mus.
Yeah.
But it's a lovely weather today. I'm sure they are enjoying themselves.
No, definitely, yeah. And they always like to play in the waves, you know.
Oh.
Right with the waves and jump.
Okay.
One of the reasons they love it.
Okay. Hey, it was so close. It's breathing. It's breathing next to me now. Yeah, it's a beautiful dog, eh? Hey, beautiful dog. Sure. What is his name?
Bella. It's a female.
Oh, okay. You know I was at a Burbur. It's a Burbur, this one, eh?
Burbur.
Burbur breed, okay. The one that I had is